This is Dr. Arlen Meyers. I'm a professor at the University of Colorado School of Medicine and president and CEO of the Society of Physician Entrepreneurs. What are the three levels of digital health validation? The first level is technical validation, which essentially means is the product or service something that satisfies the specs or user needs and wants. And this is the step that most people focus on, building a website, making sure the links work, and essentially it's something these days that can be built almost in a weekend at a hackathon. And in my opinion is the least important, yet it seems to get most of the attention. Number two is the commercial validation. And what that means is that when you come up with a product or service and you're trying to build a business, you need to come up with a business model that incorporates the 9 elements of how you're going to create, deploy, and harvest value. And this typically requires lean startup methodology, agile development, experimentation, reiteration, pivoting, all the buzzwords that we've heard about the lean startup process. And commercial validation can take several months to figure out, particularly in digital health, whether your idea is going to get any traction. More importantly, the third step in validation has to do with clinical validation, which means, is your product safe and effective? And the only way really to tell that is to do a digital health clinical trial. Unfortunately, there are several barriers to doing digital health clinical trials. There is not a well-founded or well-structured clinical trial ecosystem, and there are issues concerning access to data, HIPAA, data security, confidentiality and security, etc. So prior to developing and launching your product, you really should go through these 3 validation steps: technical validation, commercial validation, and clinical validation. Unfortunately, this takes time, money, and effort, but it will certainly improve your success rate after launch. Thank you. This is Dr. Arlen Meyers. I'm with the Society of Physician Entrepreneurs at www.soapnet.org.